On today's tour, we're taking you inside Creola, Alabama, an area just 20 minutes north of the downtown area of Mobile, Alabama. This is a great area for commuting to the area, getting away from the noise of the city. We've got nearby fresh water, interstate access just minutes away. Let's show you around. Welcome in to Kenneth Moss Court. We're here in Creola, Alabama in the Frenchman's Bend cul-de-sac. And this beautiful home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We've got a 2-car garage. And one thing that I want you to notice on the outside is we're on this mature lot with these beautiful oak trees. We've got a brick and vinyl sided entrance. We've got this Creole style porch, a beautiful space to kind of set up a chair set for morning coffee, maybe an afternoon smoke, something to that effect. And then it all walks into this front door that walks right into the living room. And I think you're going to enjoy the openness of this space. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. Walking right in the entry at the front door, it walks into this beautiful living room. I love the warm tone colors of the laminate hardwood floors in here. It kind of creates a real cozy feel with the natural light coming in off the front yard. You got the tray ceiling, and I love recessed lighting. So you've got recessed lighting in the 4 corners of the tray ceiling. Once again, just gives it just a nice warm light in here. It feels really good. This short wall is a perfect area to put your television. Kind of use that as a focal point when you're entertaining or watching the ball game. And then over here, this focal point fireplace right here is a wood burning fireplace. You got ceramic tile surround right around it. And you got this nice etched details on this wood mantle. A lot of the modern homes will do just one blocked piece, but this one has been edged and it looks like it's been carved. It looks really, really nice. And then walking down this hallway right here, it's a 3-bedroom home. So we've got a full bath right here that's shared for bedrooms 2 and 3. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are right here on my right-hand side, your left. And then there's a utility laundry room right here on my left side, your right. Inside the kitchen, this is a great layout. It's been designed in a U shape, as you see behind me. What's nice about the U shape is whether you're at the sink, whether you need to get to the fridge, or whether you're going to the oven, you're basically one step away from everything you need during food prep or getting ready for entertainment, which is a really nice design feature. Some of the cosmetic things that I really enjoy I like the antique white finish of the cabinets. You've also got the kind of shaker style hardware that's on there in a brushed nickel color. And the brushed nickel is complemented by the stainless steel appliances that are throughout the kitchen. And then you've also got this earth tone granite, which is also complemented by this mosaic tile. The mosaic tile runs all around the cabinets and up the ceiling by the vented hood. And the mosaic tile basically it's got some blues, it's got some greens and some browns. It kind of grabs all the colors that are in the stone, the cabinets and the walls and brings them together in a finishing way. And then you've got a double oven right here to finish it off. So you've got an upper oven and then you've got a lower oven, which just makes it great for meal prep or getting ready to entertain. Right off this kitchen space, it lends right into this large eat-in kitchen, basically dining room. You got this nice pendant light up here on the ceiling and this long farmhouse style table. So you could accommodate a long rectangular table of any size. You've got this nice ceramic tile floor that's put down in basically like a barnwood color. Kind of complements the theme of the home. And it all lends to the south side wall right here where you've got a built-in desk. You've got the same granite counters as you do in the kitchen, same color cabinets. What's nice about these cabinets is it doubles as a pantry space for your kitchen. So you've got the retractable drawers there where you can put food and things in and kind of hide them away for easy access. And it's a really usable space that's really a multiple purpose room rather than just a kitchen or a dining room. A split floor plan right off the front door, it walks into this really nice primary suite. And what I enjoy about this room is you've got the agreeable gray color walls, you got this nice tall cathedral ceiling, and this is a really large bed setup and the room still feels very spacious and open, large in part because of the wall color and the cathedral ceiling. And then you've also got windows right here. If you're more of a natural light person, you've got kind of a bay window style design right here towards the front of the home, and it walks all right into this primary bathroom suite right here. Now in this primary bathroom, you basically got a combo tub and shower, you've got a commode, you've got a single vanity but with an extra large counter, and then it walks into a walk-in primary closet. Right off the kitchen, we've got what I call a flex room. This room is basically going out towards the backyard, right off the kitchen. We've got the cut-in window over the sink where the sink was in the kitchen space. What I like about this space for me, I would make it basically another pantry space, maybe build some more shelving, put my deep freezer, put a gun safe, extra refrigerator, all the things that you want to just keep away from the entertainment areas of the home. You can use this kind of as a large utility closet. And like I said, it walks out into the backyard right here at this door. And then going this way, it walks into an extra flex space that really has become a play area off the third bedroom. But this space right here is once again more storage, more usability to either make a private den, basically just decluttering the home and putting things back away from your living area that you may not want visible when you're entertaining. The third bedroom not only has access from the hallway, but all just like you came in, it has an opening back to this extra flex space on the back of the house. Out here in the backyard, we got a great space. We've got this nice deck that comes off the back door. We've got a little bit of a cover overhang, 3 or 4 feet. You can kind of stay out of the weather, out of the rain. We've also got a doggy door right there at the back door as well. Fully fenced. We've got some beautiful mature oak trees, and it looks out over the fence on kind of a farming area. So you really don't have a whole lot of neighbors that are right on top of you or looking into your backyard. There's a lot of privacy back here. A great space. I could easily see you building a little bonfire in the burn pile over there, or bringing your canoe or boat back into the yard from a day out at fishing. A nice backyard that I think you'll enjoy. Thank you for watching today's tour. If you want to take the next step and visit in person, my number and information is on the screen. Matt Baker, Legendary Realty. If you want to continue watching other homes in this beautiful area, you can click this playlist right here. And if you don't want to miss anything we do going forward, you can hit the subscribe button right here.